pictures. You know, I mean, have you seen those dreaded holiday pictures? You know, the ones with your neck and the double chin, and, you know, you just want to delete them and get them out of people's phones. I'm going to give you some strategies for how to look better in a picture. And we're going to do it in 3 different ways. The first one is going to be with believable contouring. The next is tips of what kind of outfits you should wear. And thirdly, exactly how you should pose for a picture. And again, I'm talking about, you know, you're at a party and there's 8 people and you get in there. I'm going to show you where to be and what to do, so you can figure this out once and for all. So let's get right into it. The first one is believable contouring. So let me get right into prepping my skin first. My contour kits, the high end is Dior. It's called Backstage Glow. And I went to Target today, and this is by NYX. 3 steps to sculpting. So let's go ahead and use this one. Step 1 is to focus on our jawline. So we want to go on the underside of the jawline and make a triangle. That's pretty easy to remember, okay? Secondly, blending is your friend. Use a matte bronzer. Shimmery things are not your friend. We want to go 2 shades darker. So this is really a dark color. That's probably too dark. So I think I'll go for this medium shade. We want to use a larger brush, and you really have to practice. So here I go, and I haven't done this before on camera. The first step we want to do is make sure we have some makeup on our neck, because the last thing we want is that horrible line of demarcation. So just take your foundation and just go about halfway down. So here's the before with no contouring. And let's try to do some contouring. Number 2, highlight our assets. So we've done our contouring. The next trick is to do a dramatic eye, which Liza doesn't really do, or a bright lip. So that is a bright lip, and my guess is your eye is not looking at my neck right now. And wearing bright lipstick makes your teeth look whiter. What to wear, and I am not a fashionista. I just have some basic, simple things for mature women to try to do. The first one is not to do this. Tip 2 is to wear a bright colored scarf. Again, it's color next to our face, and it just helps brighten everything. A haircut, believe it or not, the most flattering, and I've researched this, haircut for mature women is some kind of a bang that covers maybe a third of your face. I can't wear bangs because my hair is too thick and frizzy. But there is a magic length of hair. The other thing we want to remember is to wear longer jewelry. You know, wearing chokers, no, it's going to just cut your neck in half. Is you want to sit up straight. I suggest if you're sitting down to sit on the edge of a chair, and it forces you to have good posture. What side is better? Is it, you know, my left side or my right side? I always think it's my right side. So here we go. We want to be at a 45-degree angle. I wasn't very good at math, but I can kind of guess what that is. You want to squint with your lower eyelids. Well, what is that about? So here I go. I'm going to try to. Here, does it work? Okay, next we want to take the tip of our tongue on the back of the top of our teeth. Got it? So it's like this. The next one is to tilt our chin down. Obviously, we don't want that. When we're standing, you want to put your hand on your hips, just like the models, because it shows that there's some space. You don't look like such a blob. You want to bend your front leg, and you want to put your weight in the back of your foot. Hope I have helped you get a few ideas for how to take a better picture.